So hi guys, so this is a new OnePlus Bud Z. So this is a gray variant. So yeah, I got this one. So it was unavailable for a while. So okay, let's unbox this. O- Okay, so let's now unbox it. Wow, this variant looks amazing. Wow, the gray one looks amazing, much better than the white one. So yeah, this is the OnePlus Bud Z, and it looks amazing. As you can see, the gray one. So let me pop it open. This is how it looks. So yeah, this is the buds. This is how it looks like. So yeah, let me pick up these buds. Wow, the gray one does looks amazing, and this has a touch control here. So rest of the things are pretty much well defined in other videos, so I'm not going in much of that one. So this is just a great one, so I'm unboxing this in this video. So hope you guys like this video. So yeah, okay, bye bye.